Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, market analyst at Jalatama Management. Gold's decline continued through yesterday, but it may have hit a bottom at 12.21 and it is currently trading in the 12.30s range as I speak. The shocking final measure of US GDP for the first quarter came in at 1.8% from a previously estimated 2.4%, which sounds bad for the economy, but it was good for stocks, and the Dow Jones, for example, made a triple-digit rally. Gold didn't react so well, but it did manage to climb a few dollars. However, the outlook does still remain rather bearish. Let's just take a look at the chart. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart at the moment. We've recently had an engulfing bearish candlestick print here. We can see that price is still making lower highs, and this resistance here at 12.48, this morning prices inclined towards that level but then turned. So this in itself could be another potential resistance level if price then decides to have another advance upwards. So we have price turning close to resistance within about $4 or $5 of resistance. We have a bearish engulfing candlestick and lower highs. So we have a lower high here, and lower high here. So it still looks bearish. If you was looking too short, which would probably be a decent trade, you would place your stop just above the previous high here, just before this candlestick, before the engulfing bearish candlestick, so maybe around 12.45, and a feasible target level would be towards the support level at 12.21. I'll just change this to yellow so you can see the difference. So the target level would be the yellow support line, and place your stop loss just above this red horizontal line, which is resistance. And if we take a look at the daily chart, we can also see on the RSI that we have convergence with price action. We can draw a line here showing that the RSI, despite the fall last week, it has managed to make another lower low, and this just shows that it is aligned with the downward momentum of price action. If this, however, had made a higher low, it would show that the momentum is losing steam, but it hasn't, so therefore the momentum, the downward momentum, is still in place, and therefore further declines is very, very feasible. So definitely still look for shorts. Economic influence that traders should be aware of today are the Italian 10-year bond auction. Unfortunately, there is no specific schedule that has been released for that, so you will just have to keep an eye on the markets, keep an eye on your economic calendar, and trade accordingly. At 9:30 AM GMT, we have the UK's current account information, so that could impact the pound against the dollar and indirectly impact gold. And then we have the at 1:30 GMT, we have the weekly US jobless claims, as always on a Thursday at 1:30 GMT, and then at 3 PM GMT we have the US pending home sales. So we've got quite a busy economic schedule today. The outlook still looks bearish, so maybe look too short at resistance levels that I've highlighted here in the 1 hour chart. But this latest bearish engulfing candlestick on the 1 hour chart definitely signals that price could drift towards support in the lower 2020s. Thank you for listening to me. I'll speak to you again tomorrow. We have a fantastic promotion for new accounts at the moment. If you are interested, check out the details either on the Facebook page of Jalatama or LinkedIn. Alternatively, you can visit the website of Jalatama Management. The required links are below this video. Speak to you soon.